You know, it might surprise you to learn that our next performer is still an eligible bachelor.
Is it the clumpy way he walks?
Or the grumpy way he talks?
Or the pear-shaped, square-shaped weirdness of his feet?
And though we know he washes well,
he always ends up sort of smelly.
But you'll never meet a fella who's as sensitive as sweet. Everyone's a bit of a fixer-upper, that's what it's all about. We need each other, raise us up and round us out. Everyone's a bit of a fixer-upper, when push comes to shove. You don't need a fixer-upper, fixer that'll fix a fixer-upper, it's true. True.